How would you like to unlock the automated process today's highest-earning marketers use to make game-changing commissions and grow your email list at the same time? Forget small change commissions. This is about 3 to 4 figures per day from multiple passive income streams. Yes, commissions of well over $1,000 per day. Best part, because it's fully automated, there's a zero learning curve or experience needed. And unlike almost every other method, you won't need a social audience, existing subscribers, or to create a single piece of content ever. But make no mistake, this is a time-tested, rock-solid method for making serious money online. Just now, thanks to technology, we've been able to make it 100% beginner-friendly. Profit Sniper X revolutionizes funnel automation to maximize your commissions and leads from free traffic. Before today, results like these were only possible for gurus with massive budgets. Now they're at your fingertips with done-for-you funnels that outperform anything else on the market. Profit Sniper X is the world's first app to feature smart funnels that optimize themselves in real time. This is a game changer because they generate you the highest possible amount of commissions and leads automatically. Within minutes of hitting go, you can be making multiple 3+ figure commissions while building your list at the same time. All you do is rinse and repeat these 3 simple steps for success. Step 1. Select one of the done-for-you campaigns and activate your money page. Step 2. Hit the traffic button to activate the free traffic. Step 3. Sit back and watch the sales roll in. It sounds simple because it is simple. We developed Profit Sniper X to give beginner and struggling marketers the edge they needed, and so that people just like you can start cashing in right now. Because no matter what anyone says, there's a ton of competition out there, especially these days as more people look to start earning from home. So old school cookie cutter funnels don't cut it anymore. To grab more than your fair share of profits and subscribers, your funnels need to outperform. And Profit Sniper X is the answer. Hey, this is Tony. My team and I have been developing funnels for years. Our funnels have made tens of millions in commissions selling affiliate products and added hundreds of thousands of subscribers to multiple lists. The one thing about funnels is that they all leak. You put traffic in, some of it turns into profits, some of it doesn't. The smaller the leak, the more money you make. Simple. The problem is to optimize your funnels for profit, you have to test. And speaking from experience, testing is a major pain in the behind. It means expensive and complicated split testing software, then constantly crunching numbers, and it never stops. Until now. Profit Sniper X and its done-for-you smart funnels optimize your campaigns for you, without you crunching a single number. You get the most profitable campaigns possible with none of the hassle or setup. It's incredibly simple and so easy a 10-year-old can do it. Each of your included smart funnels includes a lead page and a money page to generate leads and commissions. The magic happens with the perfect campaign technology. Profit Sniper X sends traffic to multiple variations of your funnel pages, then picks the top performing page based on real-time data. After that, all your traffic is automatically sent to the winning page, so you get the best possible results, up to 2 times more subscribers, and 3 times more instant commissions from your automated funnels. This is the exact process used by top-earning brands and marketers, except they have expensive software and entire teams doing the work. Now, you get all of the benefits of optimized for profit funnels with none of the cost or hassles. Profit Sniper X is perfect for beginners as an all-in-one income solution. You're pre-approved for each of the affiliate offers inside, so you can start making commissions today. We've included step-by-step training to walk you through the straightforward setup and strategies for getting the best results. The system is also built to grow with you. On top of the done-for-you funnels, you get a standalone app for making your own custom funnels from scratch. Plus multiple top-converting landing page templates, a huge library of premium lead magnets, our innovative gift creator to use on your money pages to skyrocket commissions, traffic included, and as a launch exclusive, we're hosting all your Profit Sniper X pages, meaning you have 0 overhead costs to run this. With Profit Sniper X, you could use the included smart funnels and have 10 income streams running 24/7 without cracking a sweat. Then, when you're ready to really scale up, just customize your own funnels and leverage the built-in perfect campaign technology to maximize profits. Profit Sniper X is cutting edge. I've been a funnel expert for years, and I can say nothing like this is available anywhere else. So by getting in early, you get a massively unfair first mover's advantage. You'll save boatloads of time, money and effort on traffic and testing, and know with confidence your funnels are getting you the highest possible results across the board from day one. During this first ever launch of Profit Sniper X, we're giving away the entire system for a tiny one-time cost. But that price will not last, so hurry to get in before the cost goes way up. You get a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk for trying it out yourself. Check below for more details and to see reviews from beta testers who are loving this system. Then lock in your license at the lowest possible price by acting now. Whatever you wind up deciding, thanks for visiting this page. Check below for the full details, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount so we can work together to grow your list and bank account. I wish you the best of success. I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation and hope to see you inside the members area, bragging about your growing list and new income streams soon. You're literally seconds away from generating huge commissions. See you inside the members area.